Got it? Okay, now you carefully put in your soil.
I'm doing all of this myself, even putting in the tree.
Mm-hmm.
Is it okay if I make a couple of messes?
Yeah. You want to tell them why there's banging?
Yeah. The wolf man is fixing my roof. Daddy was supposed to, but he had his wrist hurts.
No, Daddy did what he was supposed to do. That's enough. That's good. Now you're going to make a little hole in that dirt.
First, I'm going to take
First, put
this.
No. Oh, okay. You want to get that little stick out. Now make a little hole in your dirt.
Like this?
With your finger.
This dirt?
Mm-hmm. So you'll have a spot
I'm
for
going to make a hole with this.
Oh, okay.
I did it.
All right. Now show them how to carefully get that tree out so you don't break it or damage it. Can't see. Around the edges, remember? Now pull it on it real gently. Yeah, right there. Okay, you gotta scoop a little more.
Around the edges?
Yep, around the edges so you don't damage any of the roots. Careful, don't pull on. Oh, good. You got it?
Yeah, I see the seed.
All right, and then it goes in the hole you made. Careful not to break it. Now you can put a little soil and cover that up. And you are done. Oh, no, the label. Do you know what to put on the label?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Careful not to, you don't want to touch this too much.
L.
It's this one.
PS1.
Okay, and then you're gonna write it on. We made this little chart to see which seed sprouts, and we're repotting it today on 12/23.
Mom, I think I did it on the wrong spot.
You did just fine. Let me see. No, it looks great.
It's supposed to be just like planet.
You can put it whichever direction you want. That way.
Can I play outside?
Yes, Hannah. Okay.
Look
Close
how
your
good
door,
that
Hannah.
tree is.
All right. Now right here.
PS1.
12.23.
12.
Oops. Dot. 23.
What, backwards?
Yeah, I think you made your twos backwards. That's okay.
23.
Yeah, just leave it like that. All right, 2019, very tiny. All right, that's it.
2019.
No, because I don't want you to go into the other box. Just leave it. All right. Have anything else to say?
Science later.